Hello children, how are you all? How are you? Fine, very good. I'm fine, thank you. Do you all enjoy your online classes? Is it interesting? Do you like it? Are you regular in doing your homework? Yes, very good children. I can hear many answers from you. Once again, I welcome you all for the maths session. Today, we are going to learn maths subject. Is it interesting? Is it interesting to learn maths? Is it easy for you to learn maths? Okay, now this session will be more interesting. Why? Because we are going to learn with our book. Today we are going to learn with our books, with our own books, with our new book. Do you all got your books? All are having your books? Okay, this how our maths book is. This is our maths book. If I ask you to take your maths book, you should know to take your maths book. This is your maths book and it is new book. Okay? Do you understand children what I'm telling? Yes. Now we'll go to the content. This is the content and the first topic is numbers up to 20. The first chapter what we are going to learn is numbers 1 to 20. What is the first chapter? You should know to say your chapter name and chapter topic name or lesson name. When anyone asks you you should know to answer them. The first topic will be number names. And what all the important things or what are the subheadings we are going to see? We are going to see numbers, we are going to see number names and missing numbers. This session is about all these three things. Is it clear? Shall we move to the class? Yes. Before moving to the class, I should say you should do all your homeworks. One important instruction is do your homeworks regularly. This chapter we are mainly concentrating about numbers 1 to 20. Okay children? Now we'll go to the book. Okay, we learned numbers from 1 to 20. And one more time we will revise the spellings. Can you identify the numbers? Can you identify and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. I can see many of them answering it. Now we will see the spellings. What is the spelling for 1? O-N-E 1. What is the spelling for 2? T-W-O 2. What is the spelling for 3? T-H-R-E-E 3. What is the spelling for 4? F-O-U-R 4. What is the spelling for 5? F-I-V-E 5. What is the spelling for 6? S-I-X 6. What is the spelling for 7? S-E-V-E-N 7. What is the spelling for 8? E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Last spelling. What is the spelling for 10? T-E-N 10. Is it easy? Is it easy for you? Yes. Put one I fight you. I fight your mother. Okay. Now what we are going to see? We are going to see the first page of our book. The first page of our book is like this. This is the first page of our book. Look at the picture very carefully. I'm going to ask the question with this picture. I'm going to discuss about this picture. Shall we discuss? Okay, side by side we will see the pictures. Okay, now can you tell me the first activity what is given to us is count and write how many. This is our first activity. What is the first activity you are going to see? Count and write how many. Okay, you have to keep that book next to you and see the picture and answer to me. Those who are having your book, you can take your book and keep next to you and start answering as I ask you the questions. First question. How many trees are there? How many eggs are there? Observe all these things. Okay. Next. How many people are there? How many fishes are there? Start seeing that picture. Next. How many ducks are there? How many hens are there? And how many houses are there? And how many baskets are there? Okay, once again we'll check the we'll see the picture. Okay, see the picture. How many trees are there? We have got 5 trees. Yes, count and see how many trees we are having. We have got 5 trees. Okay, yes, we have got 5 trees. And how many eggs were there? 6 eggs. We'll see that picture one more time. Yes. See how many eggs are there? 6 eggs are there. Yes. Next, see how many people are there? 3 people are there. See how many people are there? 1, 2 and 3 people are there. And just check how many fishes are there. See, there are fishes over here. How many fishes are there? 6 fishes are there. And how many ducks are there? Count and say me how many ducks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ducks are there. Very good, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ducks are there. And how many fishes were there? How many fishes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 fishes are there. How many eggs are here? Hens are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hens are here. And how many houses there? 1 house is here. Okay, children, we'll go to the answering the session. How many trees were there? 5 trees, 6 eggs. How many people were there? 3 people. And how many fishes were there? 8 fishes were there. And how many ducks were there? 8 ducks and 4 hens. And how many houses were there? 1 house and 2 baskets were there. Okay, children, if you have your book next to you, you can fill the answer in your book. And you can take a picture and post it in the class, post it as a homework. Okay, those who are not having your book, kindly note it, write down, take a snap or take a picture of it and post it in the group. Okay, children, this is our first activity. And the second activity will be, we'll go to the second activity. The second activity will be, the second page will be write the missing letters to get the number names. Write the missing letters to get the number names. Okay, children, we'll go to this exercise. This is your book exercise. If you have a book with you, you can start doing this book exercise. Those who are not having, take a note and write it and post it in the group. Okay, we'll go to the exercise now. The one, what is the spelling for one? O-N-E, one. What is the spelling for two? T is given there. What two letters are missing? W and O is missing. What is the spelling for three? T-H-R-E-E, three. Okay. H-R-E-E is missing. The next one, what is the four? What is the spelling for four? F-O-U-R. F-O and R is missing here. And what is the spelling for five? F-I-V-E, five. I-V-E is missing here. Okay, you have to fill this one and post it. Next one, what is the spelling for six? S-I-X, six. And what is this missing letter? I is a missing letter. What is the missing letter in the next one? What is the spelling for seven? S-E-V-E-N. S-E-V-E-N. What are the letters missing there? E-V, S-E-V-E. E-V-E is missing. What is the spelling for eight? E-I-G-H-T. What is the spelling for eight? E-I-G-H-T. Eight. And E is missing. I is there. E-I-G. G is missing. H is there. And you have to write T. What is the next spelling? Nine. N-I-N-E. Nine. And how you should write? N is missing. I is there. N-E. Nine. And what is the spelling for 10? T-E-N. 10. Okay, children. This exercise you have to write it either in your book. Those are having your book, you can write in your book, and those are not having it, write it in a notebook and post it in the group. This is your homework. Clear, children? Shall we go to the next exercise? Yes. Our next exercise will be, what is the next exercise? Count and write the number names. You have to count it and you have to write the number names. Shall we go to this exercise now? Yes. You should write the number names, not the number. Important thing, you should write your number names. See this picture? How many balls are there? 3 balls. So your answer is 3. What is the answer? 3. What is the spelling for 3? T-H-R-E-E. 3. What is the spelling for 3? T-H-R-E-E. 3 is the answer. The next question. How many books is there? 1 book. So what is the spelling for 1? O-N-E. 1. What is the spelling for 1? O-N-E. 1. What is the answer? 1. The next sum is, see how many pineapples are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pineapples are here? 6 pineapples are here. So what is the answer? 6. What is the spelling for 6? S-I-X. What is the spelling for 6? S-I-X. So the answer is 6. The next sum is, how many cars are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many cars are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. What is the spelling for 8? E-I-G-H-T. What is the spelling for 8? E-I-G-H-T. What is the answer? 8. Okay? Is it clear? Shall we go to the next sum? What is the next sum? What is the next picture? See, how many teddy bears are here? Teddy bears are here. How many teddy bears are here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What is the answer? 5. What is the spelling for it? F-I-V-E. 5. What is the spelling for 5? F-I-V-E. 5. Is it clear? What is the answer? 5. Is it clear? Shall we go to the next exercise? Yes. The next exercise will be count and say me. How many fishes are here? Count and say me. I'm sorry. Count and say me. How many fishes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fishes are here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fishes are here? 10. What is the answer? 10. What is the answer? 10. What is the spelling for 10? T-E-N. 10. What is the spelling for 10? T-E-N. 10. You understood it? Yes? Okay. Next, we are going to see an important chapter, important concept. That concept name is zero. The concept name is zero. Do you all know how to put a zero? Yes. One big round. If you put one big round, it becomes a zero. Okay. I'll tell you how we are going to learn zero. Okay. Now, the concept is, what concept you are going to learn is zero. Okay. See how many apples are there in this basket? How many apples are there? 2 apples are there. There are 2 apples in the basket. One is Reena and one is Neha. Both are eating one apple. Okay. Reena is eating 1 apple and Neha is eating 1 apple. Okay. Is it good to eat apple? Yes, it is always good to eat apple. It will be what is the color of the apple? The color of apple is red. Okay. How many apples are they eating? They are eating 2 apples. How many apples are there in the basket? 2 apples are there in the basket. Now, after you take both the apples, now check and say how many apples are there in this basket? There are no apples in the basket. There are no apples. There are no apples in the basket. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. We write 0 like a round. Okay. When you take something, when you subtract, when you take it out, it becomes 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means what? Nothing. 0 means what? Nothing or none. Okay, children? You understood? How we will write a 0? We'll put a 0 like this. Yes, this is 0. Okay, children? Yes, this is one concept given in your book. Okay? Next. The next thing is homework. Homework session. As I told you, if you have book with you, you can start doing your book exercise. If you don't have a book, you can take a note from the slide and you can write and submit. Kindly parents, check the WhatsApp group for the homework. What you should write will be mentioned in the WhatsApp group by the teachers. Take care. Bye. Take care, children.